Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Modela Collection Trellis rug. This is a rug that, basically we just got to fill in some space in our new place, and we're probably eventually going to be putting it in the living room. Right now it's just kind of laid out, sprawled across the kitchen, but I think it's more suited for a kind of a living room situation just because of the design. But yeah, you can really use it for anything. The cool thing about it is it's very inexpensive right off the bat, and for like the quality of it, it's pretty great because usually rugs can be pretty pricey, you know. So finding one that's not is hard, and I'm really digging this one. Yeah, so I'll start. This is the petrol blue color. It comes in an array of different colors, although we wanted the petrol blue one. Basically, it's a little bit hard to tell in here. It's kind of like a turquoise-ish kind of blue, very almost kind of like light blue, I guess you could say. And it is the 4'9" by 6'10", so it's a pretty large rug. Great for the area, I guess you could say. Very contemporary design, which I like. As you can see, you've got kind of like these little, I don't know what you would call them, like symmetrical kind of almost flower shapes. Kind of almost has, I would think, like sort of a Middle Eastern kind of vibe to it. Really nice. But the cool thing about it is like these colors are also, I feel like, very neutral. They could fit in most style living rooms, which is nice, or just really any kind of room that you decide to put them in. One thing that I really do think about this is that it is very thin. Let's see if you can get a good idea of like that. It's very, very thin right here. And this is like, if you look at your typical kind of like Persian rugs or really any like large area rugs, a lot of them are either really thick, really heavy, or just way too thin, like paper thin, where they're just sliding all over the place. I think this is a really good kind of in between. First off, it makes it incredibly easy to vacuum and clean. We still definitely need to steam clean this. We had a little, as you can see, spill over here the other night. So we need to steam clean this, but the cool thing is we did a spot treatment on it when we got it, and we basically just hit like some of the small spots on here, and it came out really easily. And then I feel like that has a lot to do with the fact that it is so thin, and the fact that a lot of the fibers on the fabric don't stick up too far, so the stains don't really like ingrain themselves in the fabric. They just kind of are resting up on top on like a thin layer. So that's really nice. Also, because it's not super heavy, you can easily move it from room to room. It folds up, rolls up really nicely. But one thing I will say is that you really do have to leave it in a place for a long time, or leave heavy things on it, because as you can see, like the corners are kind of up. That's basically because it's so thin that like it almost, when it was rolled up, kind of formed to that rolled up shape, and so now it's kind of like it lays up like that, so that can be one thing. If you're constantly, if you have this, say like a corner like resting up against like a table or something like that for too long, it's going to stay in place like that. So that's one thing that might be kind of annoying. But again, like you put something heavy on it and it will go back to its original form sooner or later. It doesn't shed at all, which is also a nice thing. Some heavier rugs, again, they kind of shed. Find like little pieces of fabric or string or thread all over the floor. So that's one other nice thing about this, is that it doesn't do that. It's retained its color very well. The person that we got this from, actually, they said they had it for years, and we were looking online, and I mean, even like the color throughout is the same. It's kind of hard to tell with like the lighting in here, but the color is just like, it's really nice throughout. There's not any spots on here that have look like they were like discolored or anything like that. So for an older rug, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I would say if you're looking for a good room rug, good area room rug, or inexpensive, then I would definitely recommend getting this one. Probably be best for like living rooms or bedrooms, things like that. But it's good. It's a nice accent, very neutral. Fits really well with anything, and that's pretty much all. Alrighty guys, take it easy.